Hi viewers, thank you very much for dropping by and welcome to Mingwei channel, mostly regarding about drones and drones related contents. Now today's the time to continue with my epic updating construction site series, the new episode. Okay, yeah, I'm holding my DJI Mini 2S with me today, the best drone to do the job. All right. Okay, let me place my drone over here. And what happened is that I understand this site is called the Bukit Business Park, if I'm not wrong. All right. Okay, is going to be ready soon, and I believe those retailers will be moving into do business very soon. I understand it will be sometime this year. So this year is only with another 5 months, so it's going to be any time. So let's update on the construction site, and very soon you will see retailers move in and do business already, no longer construction site. All right, now let me do the necessary
home point updated.
Yeah, take off permitted. Let me just run through all the settings to make sure it is in proper order. Okay, RTH 80 remains at 80, that's good. And max altitude 120 meters, max distance 3000 meters, this is good. All right, and no calibration. Okay, control looks good. I guess nothing to be changed except to format the SD memory card. Confirm. Does it show formatted? Let me just do it once more. Format storage, confirm. Well, it doesn't show formatted, but I believe it is formatted already. Transmission. Yep. Okay, let's check it out. I'm recording at 2.7K, 30 frames per second. And storage, good. Yeah, okay, I have 12 satellite and battery 99%. I think that's good. And I am permitted to take off. Now let's record and let's start up.
Take
It's
off.
some time already never fly this drone. Okay, as
home
usual, the
point
main style,
updated.
I'll fly the drone close to the tripod's camera before I take off to the construction site. There you go. The beautiful DJI Mini 2 SE. It's in the morning, not too windy. I think it's good time to fly a drone. As usual, the stability of this drone really makes me very happy about it. It's a very good drone. Okay, and let's do it. Okay, let's go to the construction site. Yeah, the grass is very long over here. Seems like nobody taking care of this area, right? Okay, I'll fly at normal mode and let's go up. Okay, let's go. I'll go up to 50 meters. Okay, that's good. I'll go up to 50 meters. be on the safe side. Yep. Turn to my left is where the construction site is. Almost ready, as I said. Go up higher, bring down the camera. Okay, 50 meters, let's go. And this is how it looks like now. As I said, it's almost ready. If you look at the right hand side, I guess that will be the parking area, the outdoor parking area over here on the right hand side, and that will be the entrance as well, if I'm not wrong. Now let me go to the business complex, go further up. I can still see construction still going on in front. Let me bring down the camera. Okay, I can still see the construction is going on over here. I'm not too sure what are they doing over here, but it looks like this is going to be I don't know. As you can see, cars. Maybe some kind of facility, I'm not too sure. Parking, maybe outdoor parking, maybe. Yeah, could be outdoor parking, which is very common. In Malaysia shopping center, there will be outdoor and indoor parking very often. Yeah. Roll to my right and bring up my camera. Okay. For those of you who have been following my channel, you should know that the construction's office is over here. Let us go to the construction office first this time. Okay, this is where the construction office is, as well as their cafeteria. Okay, let me bring down the camera again. Let us go on top of this construction office. And let me turn to my right slowly. I have to be very careful because I know there's a condominium very near to this particular location. Let me show it to you. The condominium is very near. It's just right over. Okay, quite distant. Okay, so it's still safe. Okay, let me just bring down the gimbal again, and I'll turn to my. Okay, to my right to show you the. Reverse a bit, because I want to show you the site office over here, the construction site office. Yeah, it looks so much better right now. I mean, it was very dirty at first. Okay, now let us go to the main location where we are supposed to go to, and that's the business center. Okay, the construction site, the business center over here. Check it out. The so-called, initially I call it the triangle business center. This triangle look, it looks triangle. The shape of the business center, it is a triangle. Looks like a triangle shape. Okay, go further up. Higher. Yep. I want to go right on top of this complex, and we are on top of the complex already, right on top of the complex. Reverse a bit. Yep. Look at the complex. All right. Should be ready soon. Yes. We go up higher, a bit higher, to be on the safe side. Okay, I think this is high enough. I'm already 113 meters. All right. Let's yeah, to my left. Beautiful, isn't it? So sorry about the notification again. Why they have to give me notification whenever I'm flying my drone? Always at the wrong timing. Alright. So now I believe you all know that this complex is just right in front of this highway. For those of you who have been following my channel, you should know this highway where let me show it to you, the highway. Okay, let me bring up the camera. It's called the Seremban Highway. If I go towards to my left, that's all the way to the south, all the way to Singapore. And yeah, Patrick, if you are watching this movie, all right, this highway, if I move to goes to my left, it will be all the way to your place. Patrick from Singapore, a very good viewers, a very good subscriber of mine. He is a professional. He's very good with his drone. Yeah, by the way, thanks Patrick for all your tips. And yep, to my let me bring up the camera again. Okay, and this is to KL. Okay, right now let's go back to the main attraction here. Where is the main attraction? Will be the complex. Okay, this is how it looks like, the complex now. Okay, and as usual, what I'll do is I will align properly, and I'll move to my right. I'm right on top of the highway now. Okay, and I'll roll to my left to show you the overall looks of this complex. Yeah, the complex is already painted. Okay, shall I go down a little bit? I am not going down too much, but just a little bit only, because it is too dangerous. This highway is just right at the bottom there. I'll go down to around 80 meters. Yep, this is good enough, not too low. Okay, and I'll bring up my camera. Okay, so you just go to to my left, and I'll show you the surroundings here. Okay, this looks like the surrounding area. See, this is how it looks like, surrounding area. Bring up the camera a little bit more, so you can have a better picture on the surrounding area. Okay, I will slowly to my left before I bring back the drone. Again, the highway on your right. I'm turning 360 degree so they can see the surrounding of this complex. Understand there is around 200 shops. Around 200 shops in this retail outlets here. I mean the business complex here. Soon it's going to be this year, anytime this year. Okay, now before I bring back the drone, let me just bring down the gimbal, show you the complex again. Okay, this is how the complex looks like. Okay, aligned with the highway. Road to my right. Road to my right. Yep. This is time to bring back the drone. Alright. Let's fly back home. Okay. So I've completed another episode of this updating construction site series. And for your information, my smartphone is very dim now. I couldn't see properly. So, okay. I am flying at 10 meters per second speed. Okay, let's fly a little slower. I'm very near already. And before I land the drone, as usual, what I'll do is I'll just show you around the Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, the air quality is a bit bad today. It looks like, as you can see, there are haze, very bad haze. Okay, again, let me just turn around. This is Kuala Lumpur. And again, Patrick, if you're watching, do let me know when you come down to Kuala Lumpur. Let's fly. Okay, let's fly together. And I have a lot to do. There's a lot for me to learn from you, Patrick. Okay, so this is how Kuala Lumpur looks like today. It is the July 17 or 18, I don't remember. Okay. Okay. Actually, I cannot see from my screen now. It's too dim. Hello, hi. And I'm trying to point the drone to the home point, but I couldn't see properly now.
What are you doing?
No, just casual. Yeah, for my YouTube channel.
Oh, I see. So,
Yeah.
you are filming a video.
Yes, that's right. Yes, my drone is up there now.
Where's the drone?
It is about 78 meters away. It's hardly can see. It's a small little drone. Yeah, it's on top there. Over there. if you look at my finger, this over here.
Oh,
All right. Okay. Sorry, I'm recording, so I'm talking to the headphone. No, it's alright. It's alright.
I just see you like so.
Yeah, okay, it's alright. So you can be around. That's alright. Just that I am talking to my phone, so yeah, viewers, I'm talking to one of the passerby who's a bit curious about myself. What am I doing over here? And I'm talking to myself. Okay. Let me bring back the drone now. I have to make a quick one because I believe the battery is a bit low already. Okay, sorry for I have to a bit quick. Not too much of dramatic video, but yeah, it's coming back. You don't mind the drone is coming back from this way. The drone is coming back this way. It's alright. You can read it. It's alright. I just wanted to tell you, just let you know that the drone is coming from that angle. It's alright. You can view it. It's alright. Because the battery is a bit low now, I have to bring it back. Just I've been flying car over there for some time already. And as usual, before I land the drone, I will bring the drone close to the tripod's camera, and I have to make sure the tripod is tripod is running, and it is coming down. There you go. The beautiful DJI Mini 2 SE. See how stable is the drone? Beautiful drone. This drone can really do a wonderful job. All this while. Okay, the battery is a bit low. What I'll do is I have to land the drone already. I'll land over here. It's alright. Don't worry.
Landing.
By the way, you're Mister? You don't mind? You're on camera? You don't mind?
I'm on camera.
Is it alright? You're on camera? Okay, because I'm filming. Yeah. I'm Sid. Hello. Hi. How are you, Mister?
I'm Mr. Mario.
Mario. Hi. How? Nice to meet you. So this is the drone. The DJI Mini 2 SE. Beautiful drone. Small drone. That's why you couldn't see. When I'm flying about 70 meters, you couldn't see. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Let me just proceed with the. By the way, this is Mario, a new friend of mine who just passed by here. And I guess that's about all for those of you who's new to my channel. And if you like content like this, mostly about drones and drones related contents, do consider subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to give me a like. Alright, so do take care always as usual. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.